Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar, a fun song here to play with EMINEM, Brand New Dance. Alright, so we're gonna look at the notes here. It's a melody that goes in the same way through the entire song, and basically what we have here is a capo set on the 3rd fret and the A minor chord. That's the only chord we're gonna work with. So, capo on 3rd, put that on, A minor, let's learn that. It sounds like that. Alright, so it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so that's what we're gonna work with, and we're gonna work with like this chewing style, okay? And if you can mute it, that's great as well. I'm using the back side of my hand here, palm here, to lean on top of the strings right behind my fingers when I'm playing. Alright, so let's take a look at the melody, and it starts in the same way. We have 2 different endings, so it goes back and forth with the 2 different endings. So the start will be open A 2 times, then 3rd A, 2nd D, which you have from the A minor chord, and back to 3rd A. So when I do the A minor style I'm playing, I keep that A minor, and the 3rd A I'm having with my little pinky going up there, alright? So I'm keeping that A minor, and I'm playing on the bass strings, the A, D, and G perhaps, to get some meteor sound from the chewing, alright? So the A minor is like the supportive chord to all these notes. So that's how I do it. That's the start for both rounds. Then the first ending will be to play the notes. 2nd D, open B, 1st B, 2 times on 3rd B, then 1st B, then open B, then 2 times on 1st B, then open B, and 2nd G. So that's the first ending. So slowly it goes like this. Alright, so you have these notes pretty much built into the A minor chord. Sometimes I go out with a 3rd fret B string. I use my pinky there and grab it down there. Alright, so this one will work a little bit across the strings like this. Right, that's the first ending. Then you go back and play the start again. And then you have the 2nd ending. And it goes. So you're gonna work on the A string now. So you're gonna play 3rd A, 2nd A, back to 3rd A, then 3 times on the open D string, and then 3 times on the 3rd A, 2nd A, and back to 3rd A. And there you have the 2nd ending. So the second part will be try to play all these notes with surrounding strings to back it up, to have a little bit more of depth to the music. So instead of just you play. Alright, that's the whole idea to having the A minor as a supportive chord there in the background. So it goes like that from the beginning to the very end, and you can try to have some claps in the right places if you can. It's a little bit tricky with this one, but something like alright, so clap gives a great thing to it, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed, guys. That's it. Brand New Dance from EMINEM, and good luck with this one. If you enjoyed it, play tuned.